Today I'm installing this Hopkins rear view camera on my trailer. You can see I've already mounted the camera in the bracket. This is a plastic bracket that comes with it. I looked in the pictures to see how the wires come out. You can see it comes from the back of the camera, it feeds up, and then there's little notches in the back of the bracket that the wire can go through, and then it goes through this hole where the marker light is. I've already taken off the marker light. I did that by, if you look at the bottom, see how there's two recesses there? You can get a small screwdriver and just pop the lens off, then take the two screws out. And what they have is, this is how they've set it up. So they've just wired this marker light into these wires that run through the trailer. And so what I'm going to have to do is cut those off, strip them, and then wire in the camera along with the marker light. I've got the wires cut and stripped. Now I need to wire the camera wires in along with the marker wires. And what you'll notice is on the camera it's red and black. The trailer is black and white. So the trailer wires, black is positive, white is negative. On the camera, red is positive, black is negative. So I'm gonna have to wire these in together, and I'm just gonna use wire nuts to do it. This is how it looks when you have everything wired up. It seems strange to put a black wire to white wires, but for the camera, the black is the ground and the red is the positive. So it's red to black and black to white for the camera. And so now I just have to tuck those back in the hole and mount it. I jumpered the pins on either side of the key on the plug to power the lights, and as you can see, they are on. So I'm going to come around here to the back of the trailer, just checking, yeah, these running lights are on, and you can see the camera is on, the marker light is on. So I think I got it wired properly. Now I can assemble it and see if I can get the camera to hook up to the app. I've got it mounted on there. I had to elongate the holes in this marker a little bit to angle the screws to get it to fit. But it's on there. Now I can snap the lens back on, and I'm going to need to put silicone sealant along here, and you can see it doesn't quite cover holes here, so I'll need a little sealant there and there, maybe a little along here, and definitely along the top of this and along the top of this. You can see on these they seal the top of them all with sealant to keep any leaks from going in behind the metal out exterior. Okay, here's the app working. You can see that it's seeing pretty much what's behind the trailer. That's what's behind the trailer. And when you look at this, you see that view. I have it aimed up high enough. What I want to do is see traffic behind me. So I don't have it aimed low enough I can see the bumper of the trailer, but I can see behind me. Now what I'm going to do is test. I'm going to walk about as far as my tow vehicle, actually a little farther, and see what happens. See if I still have good reception. I'll look to see if the wind is moving the trees, but it looks like I still have good reception. I'm going to show you how far away I am. Okay, that's the front of the trailer right there, and it looks like it's working just fine.